classroom है राम्रो भयो भने म Google Classroom मा नि अपलोड गरिदिन्छु okay and the next point is on and the next point is D point
Next point is 0, 0,1.
0,1
1.
okay this is the point this is the point
Yes, sir.
0,1
Yes, sir.
okay okay and let's give this as the point D. Okay, some student Mr. Ganesh is coming. Okay, let me just approve his request. Okay, and here we have just plotted the 4 vertices of the object, and let's connect these all the points, and object will be formed here. Okay, point A
Yes, sir.
to point B and D. Okay, let's connect like this. Okay, this is the given object. This is the given
Yes,
object.
sir.
Let me use the next color to it. Just okay, here the options for the color is okay. Let me just use the next color. Okay, this blue color. Okay, okay, this is the object, and we are just going to rotate this object. It is quadrilateral ABCD. We are just going to rotate this object, and by how much degree?
180 degree.
180 degree. And Swastika raised her hand. Do you have problems, Swastika? If you have any problems, then you can only raise your hands. Otherwise, don't raise your hand. Okay. Okay, this is the object. This is object quadrilateral ABCD. We are just going to rotate this object about 180 degree. Okay. And just by taking the center as the origin. Hey, center ko bare ma kehi pani bhanena bhane we have to use the center as the origin. And this is the point as the origin. Okay. This is just the point. Oh, okay. This is point O. Okay, this is the object and this is the center and angle is 180 degree. And for 180 degree, the rule is very easy. 180 degree rule is very easy. The rule is just changing the sign of the coordinate. Okay, just changing the sign. Okay, in 180 degree, the rule is very easy. Just changing the sign. Okay, let's go to the vertex A. Here the coordinate of the vertex A is given. What is the coordinate?
-2,2, sir.
Okay, -2,2. And what will be the its coordinate after changing the sign? 2, -2. Okay, after changing the sign change garne just changing the sign. After changing the sign, the coordinate, the point will be 2, -2. Okay, if we mark the point 2, -2, we have to first go 2 unit right, and then -2 means we have to go down 2 units. Okay, and this is just the point. And what will be the name of this point? What will be the name?
A dash.
A dash. Very good. It is A dash because it is the image point of the vertex A. So we have to give its name as the A dash. Okay. Similarly, let's find out the next points: B dash, C dash, and D dash. Okay. And let's go to the coordinates. Here, what is the coordinate of this point B? What is the coordinate?
0,2.
Okay, in 180 degree rotation, we have to just change the sign. After changing the sign, what will be the point?
0, -2.
Very good. 0, -2. Hey, जहिले पनि 0 को sign change हुँदैन. 0 always becomes 0. है त? 0 plus पनि हुँदैन, minus पनि हुँदैन. So 0 itself 0. 0, -2. Okay, let's find out the point 0, -2. 0 means no movement on the horizontal axis. -2 means just the moving the down by 2 units. Okay, and this will be the point 0, -2. And its name will be, what will be its name? It is just the B dash. Okay, this is just the B dash. Mr. Ganesh, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Ganesh, I think you did not submit the previous homeworks. Why you did not submit the previous homeworks? Okay, please submit the homework in the corresponding folder. Okay, there are so many folders for the homework. You have to submit all the homework. Okay, and let's do the let's do the same thing for the point C. And here the point C is
0,
Swastika.
minus.
Okay, Swastika, what is the coordinate of point C? Swastika, please tell me that what is the coordinate of point C? Here Swastika is attending the class or not? Okay, let me check the list. Okay, here Swastika is not taking. Okay, Swastika is taking the class. Swastika, I am not getting your response here. So if you, okay, Swastika, I am not
Yes,
receiving.
sir.
Okay, now I am listening to you. Okay, please pay your attention here. Okay, and what is the coordinate of point C? What is the coordinate?
So cool, Nora. C dash.
Point
तो
C.
ध्यान है ना
What is the coordinate of
Yes.
point C? You are not paying your attention here. Okay, Mr. Yazan, please tell her what is the coordinate of point C?
2, 0, sir.
Here, the coordinate of the point C is -2, 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and let's
180
change
by
its
1
sign. After changing its sign, the point will be 2, 0.
2, 0, sir.
Okay, 2, 0, and 2, 0 is this point. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and what will be its name? It is just the name. It is
C dash.
C dash. Okay, C dash. And the final point is just the D. And let's see what is the coordinate of point D. Here, the coordinate of the point is 0, 2. Its opposite is 0, minus. Okay, the coordinate of the D is 0, 1. Its opposite is 0, minus 1. Okay, 0, minus 1. 0 means just the here no movement on the horizontal axis, and -1 means just going to the down by 1 unit. Okay, here, and this is just the point. It is just the point D prime. Okay, D prime.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's show its label. It is D dash and this is C dash. Okay, here we have just obtained here the image points of the vertices A, B, C and D. Okay, and the next step is
Yes,
just
sir.
connecting these points. Okay, let me just connect these image points A and B and these. Okay, let's connect like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a moment. Here I am. Okay, let me just do A and then this and then this and then this. Okay, like this. And here the points are not properly connected. Okay, let me just connect 1 second. Okay, now the points are connected perfectly. Okay, and let me just use the next color. Okay, this color. Okay, and then let me just this color. Okay, here the image is this A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is the image quadrilateral and this is the object quadrilateral. And
Yes, sir.
the next steps are just connecting. In the rotation, we have to just connect this A to the O. O ma connect to the center. A dash to the O, like this. We have to first connect and then we will okay. In 100,
Yes, sir.
and my dear students, in 180 degree rotation, the points will be exactly on the straight line. 180 degree straight line may bhन्छ के त्यो मिल्यो कि मिलेन भनेर त्यसरी पनि थाहा पाउन सकिन्छ. Okay, let's connect B to the O, B to the O, and B dash to the O, and here is the
Yes, sir.
point. Okay, and similarly C dash to the O and C to the O. Okay, and let's
Yes, sir.
do for the point D. Point D को लागि पनि त्यही भन्नु भयो है त. Okay, and these lines, these connecting lines should be dotted line. Okay, let me just give the dotted line. You have to use the dotted line to join these points. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and in 180 degree rotation, these lines should be these object and image connecting lines will be very straight. That means object point and the image points, image vertex will be on the same line, on the same straight line.
Yes, sir.
180 degree means straight angle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The straight line may parse directly. Okay,
Yes,
here
sir.
we have just given the dotted lines. Okay, let me just little bit zoom in. Okay, and here the drawing is very beautiful. Okay, and the
Yes,
next
sir.
step is just the giving the path of the rotation. We have to give the path of the rotation. Okay, and let me and in their question the direction is, what is the direction given there? Mr. Yojan, please look on the question. What is the direction?
यसमा चाहिँ डिरेक्सन दिएन
Okay.
सर.
In 180 degree, my dear students, please remember one very important point on the rotation. 180 degree in clockwise or anti-clockwise, both same. Okay, the both the direction anti-clockwise and the clockwise direction in case of 180 degree will be the same. So no need to give the direction. A 180 degree ma clockwise or anti-clockwise result will be the same. So there is the no mention of the directions in 180 degree only. 180 degree ma testo matra huncha hai ta. Aru angle ma we have to give the direction. Okay, so you can use the either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, let me just connect A to A dash. Okay, A to A dash and B to B dash, C to C dash. Like this,
Yes,
you can do, and you can where is the C dash? Okay, I am here. You can use the next direction also. Okay, you can use the next directions. And this direction, what is this direction? It is clockwise or anti-clockwise? Can you say? From object to image, the direction is anti-clockwise. Here we have just chosen the anti-clockwise. This direction is anti-clockwise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can take the clockwise directions also. Okay, here we have just connected this image, and finally we have to use give the dotted line. Okay,
Nice.
or the path.
Yes,
this arc is just called the path of the rotation. Path. Okay.
Yes, sir.
यही बाटो हुँदै हुँदै यो बी चाहिँ बी ड्याश मा पुगेको, सी चाहिँ सी ड्याश मा पुगेको, ए चाहिँ ए ड्याश मा पुगेको, सबै त्यसरी पुगेको थियो यही बाटो हुँदै हुँदै है त. So this path is just called as the path of the rotation. So this is called as the path of the rotation. यसलाई त्यही भएर के भनेको path of the rotation भनेको है त. यही हो बाटो चाहिँ त्यो हिँड्दै हिँड्दै जाने बाटो चाहिँ point moving गर्ने बाटो चाहिँ this is the way. Okay, let me just give the dotted line. Okay, here though in one case it is not dotted. Okay, let me just do dotted. Okay, now it is become dotted. Okay, here we have just, okay, let me just little bit drag this file. Okay, here the drawing is very attractive. Here it is very beautiful. Okay, and here this is the object. Okay, let me just mark the which one is the object and the which one the image, and the image what it says. Okay, let me just mark here. Okay, let me just use the annotation tool. Okay, just a moment, I'm going to annotate this. Okay, and after annotating, okay, these are the image vertices. Okay, these are the image vertices we need. This is one thing we need, and the next one is, okay, let me just give here. This is what is this? Is object or image?
It is object and
Okay.
the other one is
Okay, this is image and this is object and this is the center. Okay, and
Yes,
these are the path of the rotation. These are the path. Okay,
Yes,
these are
sir.
the path. Here are the so many paths. Okay,
Yes,
these are the
sir.
paths. Okay, not necessary to give all the arrows. You can take only 2 paths. Okay, and let me just here use the text mode. Okay, let me just write here. This is object. This is object, and this is, Mr. Yojan, please tell me what is this?
This is the center, sir.
Okay, this is center, and what is this?
Image.
Image. Very good. And okay, and the final one is, okay, what do we call this?
Path.
Path. Okay,
Path, sir.
path of the rotation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we have finally solved these questions with very good drawings. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear student, you can take the screenshot. Okay, you can take the screenshot so that you will be very clear while doing
Yes, sir.
homework. Okay, these are the needed things which we have given the name, object, center, image, and path of the rotations. These are the required things, and this is the output also. Okay, here we solve these questions, and this is the rotation about 180 degree. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this rotation about the 180 degree. Are you all
Yes, sir.
understood this question? Are you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
please give me response. All of you, please give me response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is the way of doing the rotation. We have to first know the rule, what is the rule, and then we can easily